Hi, friends. All right, everyone. Glasses up. What's a cocktail party without something delectable, spicy munching? Introducing my favorite chicken munching. No onions, no tomatoes, just pure lip smacking goodness. Juicy chicken, bold spices, and flavors that hit just right with every sip you take. It's crunchy, spicy, and totally addictive. So grab a piece, grab a drink, and let the munching do the talking. Cheers to good food and great company. For full video, please watch my YouTube channel at Kirit Chevli.